Michael Tritthart, Star Power Coach and International Technology Instructor, and we have a two-day, two-program platform that's coming your way on November 6th and 7th. This is open, of course, to all Star Power agents, but quite honestly, it's open to anybody who wants to come in and learn. This is the most in-depth and detailed Google session that I've ever taught. I'm going to be quite honest with you. This is unique. You have not seen this from me in any other venue, any other location. We're going to go in and give you the granular aspects of Google. We're going to go in and show you exactly what you need to be doing and give you the time to do it right there in the class on November 6th. So this is something that you do not want to miss. It's going to be Zoom based. You're going to be able to start to apply a lot of these techniques right there on the 6th. You're going to be able to ask every single question that you want to ask about Google. We're going to go in and cover it. We're going to have time to do it. Then we're going to come back on the next day, November 7th, and we're going to talk generate more leads for free. I'm going to show you some techniques that have generated these records: 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent, and $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes, 15,000 leads for a mortgage professional in just over an hour, and they closed the first one 4 days later. We're going to go in and show you all of these techniques, plus Chat GPT. We're going to go in and talk about Chat GPT 4 and give you some techniques, Canva, Box Brownie, so much that you guys can do to build and grow your business. This is definitely a session that you do not want to miss. 2 days of the most detailed training plus workshops that I've ever done. Don't miss out. We'll see you guys on November 6th and 7th. Make sure and sign up, and we'll see you then. Thanks.